Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today I'll show you how to draw Naofumi from Rising of the Shield Hero. So landscape orientation page, just to fit in his shoulders and stuff like that. You could probably fit it on a portrait if you wanted. You mightn't get the edge of his shoulders in, but I'm on a landscape. Use a pencil. Hit pause if I go too fast. So pencil and eraser, easier to fix mistakes. So middle line of my page, just about here. We're in the top half, just up here. We're not right in the center point. We're just up a little bit, and then you come over to the right. And we'll start with his top eyelid, and we go diagonal up first, and then we bring it across like so, and then down the back like this. And then diagonal this way. So we can thicken up his top eyelid just a little bit, and there might be some lines sticking off just here, just on the ends. Just the type of anime eyes there, nothing major. And then we have bottom eyelid line, so just like a light line just here, like so. And then iris, so not sort of perfect circles, kind of long oval type ones, like this. Okay, and the top is cut off. And then a pupil, like so. You could draw a highlight in if you wanted, so you could just do that in, or you could wait till you were colouring if you didn't want to draw it in, but there it is anyway. Sometimes he has lines just around the side of his eye, just here, like a line there, and maybe underneath, like that. Sometimes, not all the time. And then he's a top eyelid line, just there. And his eyebrows are under his hair, so we'll do the hair first because he's got so much fringe going on, so we'll leave the eyebrows until we do the hair first. So you're about eye distance across, so whatever width his eye is that you drew, you leave that distance in between, and that's where you can start the next eye, right? Just there, approximately. So it might be a little bit closer than eye distance, but we're about that. Over. Then you go up and across, like so. And you go down the other side, like so. Thicken up the top eyelid, and a line sticking off just there maybe, and maybe here too. Here, and then bottom eyelid, sort of similar to the other side. Gonna go on this way. And then his top eyelid line going across, and iris and pupil, so same sort of thing, not perfect circle, long, skinny with the top cut off, and a pupil. And then a highlight somewhere just about here maybe. And you might have lines just coming around the bottom and the edge, like so. So now for his nose, so we just have a line coming down sort of the middle, well, sort of to the left, a little bit to the left, not bang in the middle. So it comes down like so, and down to about there. And then you add a nostril, just like that. and then his mouth. So it's sort of 2 lines, and he's kind of grumpy looking normally. So we go 1 line just coming across here like this. And you leave a gap, and then you go down like so, down there. So just like a little gap. Like that, and then his bottom lip, just there. So they're just kind of like underneath his eyes, just there. Okay, the edges. Right, so real pointy chin. So just here, like this. Now you can check your proportions. So your nose is halfway between your eyes and your chin. So just this distance is the same as this. So just like to the bottom, say, of his nose there. So from here to here is like the same from the bottom of his nose to, say, the top of his eyes. There, approximately. And then his bottom lip is halfway between his nose and his chin. This is the halfway point here. Okay. So once you get that, you bring the jaw up the side of his face to there. Jaw up the side of the face here. And then just about this in between, say, where the nose and the mouth are, we turn the corner and go up this way. Like so. Just there. So, as I said at the start, he has a crazy fringe, so he's got lots of hair, right? So, just here from the side of his face, we have some spikes coming in on this part of his face, like so. It goes up beside his eye there. And then we go up and around. Like this, and then in like so. And then we have a pretty long one that comes down towards his eye, back up. This one goes fairly long up to the top of his head, like there. And then we have one that comes in underneath that, just here, like so. And then we've one that comes right down across the top of his nose, just here, back up there. And then some spikes that stick out here, like this. And then this is going to travel up this way, like so, to there. And then a piece of hair coming across in here. And we keep going across. So another one, say here. Another one spiking up this way, like so. And then this one comes down. And some spiking down on his face like the other side, like that. So now we can add eyebrows. So we can just see like the ends of them there, ticks up this way, like so. Kind of goes under his hair there. And on this side, same sort of thing. So like comes out from, say, here, ticks up the other side of his head, that way somewhere. And so similar sort of shape. Like so. Right, so rest of his hair going around his head and his ears. So we got ears just here, so curve it around in like so. This hair curves up this way, and we can see the bottom of his ear here. And then his hair spiking up, so real messy kind of spiky sort of hair, right? So like this. Some comes down around behind his neck as well. So we have a couple of spikes here. Coming down like so. It goes behind his neck, so we'll just leave that like there. And spike in here. Spiking in. Coming around. And then the top of his head is here. So like, say from his chin to his eyebrow, that's the same distance up to the top of his head. Just if you're looking for proportions, it's about the same, just to the top there. Okay. So this is probably halfway, his eyebrows, just up to the top of his head. And once you get that in, you keep going around the side. Like so. Spiking up, always carving lines, no straight lines in this guy's hair. Real curvy sort of lines, okay? This one comes down again. And we're sort of similar to the other side now, so we're just spiking down, back up, back down, like so. Okay, and his neck is here, so neck lines are just there. Lines in his ears, actually, forgot that. So just like there. Very simple in this anime, not too much. And he's got some more hair just on top of his head here, some more spikes. So just coming down the center, back up. And one coming across the top. Back around up here. And one more this side. Like so. Okay, so the collar of his uniform. So this comes around the back of his head. And then we go straight down. This one comes straight down, and then we go across towards his chin. Down to here. Same on this side, across towards his chin. Down like so. And then we have a medallion right in the middle. So, or like a clip that's holding on his costume. So we go up and down. Arrow going up and down there. And then it has like ears. So we do like a V here. And we can bring it around for the ears. And then down out. Like so. It actually looks kind of like a bird's head or an owl's head. Like this. And then it comes up, down, down for the beak, back up, and maybe like a line in the middle. And eyes. It does look like an owl to me anyway. A line down the middle. And he's got like a fluffy sort of fur coming around this part of his costume, like a warm sort of fluff. So you just do curving, bumping lines just around here, and same on the other side. So like so, and in here too. He has a extra edge on his collar here. Down, across. And we have a neck muscle line just there. And right, his cape, and that's pretty much his chest plate, and then that's it. So this one like cape comes out like this. His arm comes out real wide. It's like his hand is on his hip here, so it comes out real wide. There. And the middle of the cape comes across like so. And it'll go down towards his elbow and back up to here. And we might have like a fold line going up this way. And the other inside of the cape comes down this way, and the other side bumping down like so. And some fold lines, so one there, one coming up here maybe. And his chest armor plate type thing, just coming up there. And the edge of it down here, maybe there, and his body, side of his body there, and arm, shirt, arm, armpit line. Like some clasps or something in there. And I think that is how to draw Naofumi from Rising of the Shield Hero. Hope it was helpful, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.